If your product demo falling flat and not delivering the results you hoped for, you need to start doing this without burning a hole in your pocket. We've all been there. You've spent hours perfecting your product, but when it comes to showing it off to the world, the demo just doesn't seem to connect. It's frustrating, right? First, get your phone and make some photos of your product that captures attention. Be creative, and the best part is your phone is enough. Go to systeme.io, create a simple funnel page for your product completely for free. Systeme.io has lots of templates to choose from. Add those photos, adjust and edit them as you like, and all for free. Don't forget to add a sales page so you get paid. Link to systeme.io in the description down below. Now grab your phone again and shoot a simple video for your product. Demonstrate the features and show the benefits of it. You don't have to show your face or even use your voice. I got you covered with InVideo or CapCut. Again, you can join both for free links down in the description box. Skip the fluff, get right to the point by showing your product's value. Show your product in action from the very start and make sure your visuals pop. Your demo should answer these questions quickly. What does your product do? How can it solve the viewer's problem? Making it easy to follow without overwhelming viewers with details. Simplicity is key. A great demo video and the right keywords make even the most complex products look simple. Next, go back to your funnel you've just created, copy the funnel URL and add it to your YouTube bio. Use beacons.ai to add more than one link and showcase your links and products. Link is down below. No need for long explanations. Again, keep it simple. Let your product do the talking. Here are some tips for creating effective demo videos, so you make sure your video is ticking all these boxes. Start with a script that highlights your product's value, not just its features. Keep the video short, ideally between 2 to 5 minutes, and get creative with your visuals and up to 55 seconds for shorts. You don't need fancy equipment, but you do need to keep it professional. Tools like Designify or outsourcing to services, if you have the budget. And lastly, don't forget your call to action. Show them where to click, how to buy, and make it as easy as possible for them to take the next step. And there you have it. Now you know how to create attention-grabbing, high-converting product demo videos without the hefty price tag. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button for more tips. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for all the tools we've talked about. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions how to set up system.io, and I will send you the entire step-by-step course. Start creating your winning demo videos today.